Hey my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys my BOXYCHARM unboxing for March 2020, and I'm very excited to share with you guys what I got for my March 2020 BOXYCHARM box. So I am excited and we're gonna get right on into it. Now I'm gonna let you guys know I don't have a card to share with you guys. They forgot again in my box and I wasn't sent anything virtually, so I had to end up going and looking up all of these products myself with pricing info and stuff. So yeah, but I will give you a little sneak peek. You can get a little sneak peek to see what's in the box right here, but I'm kind of sad that there was no card in this box, and I didn't even get one sent to me virtually like they did last month, because I didn't get a card in my box last month. So, but I got it sent to me during my email, but not this month. So that's okay. I did look up everything. I have pricing info and stuff like that all for you guys in this video. So if you want to check out the products and the pricing, they'll be linked in the description box down below. So without any further ado, let's get started with the products. Okay, so the first product is the palette for this month. It's in some bubble wrap. But this is from Hank and Henry, this little eyeshadow palette. It is their Living in Color palette and it retails for $27. It looks like this. This is the packaging. And you just have to open it up. Hank and Henry are cruelty free. It's a little box palette. I am actually not going to keep it because it's not my color palette, but this is what it looks like. And on the back, it has the colors and the names for you guys. But this is what it looks like, and there's a big, there's a mirror, so I won't blind you guys. But these are the shadows. You have metallics, and you just have some mattes. They're really nice. The metallics are really nice kind of jewel tone colors, which I'm sure would look great on the lid. And then you do definitely get some mattes and stuff, but I just don't wear bold or, you know, these kinds of, you know, jewel tone shadows and stuff and these kind of matte colors. I just don't. I'm always wearing like a pinky blush color, or I've been doing like a neutral eye. So it's not really a palette that I want to keep in here. And if I do want to do a bright, bold look, I have a couple of little single eyeshadows from like ColourPop that are like a bright, bold pink or purple if I decide to do something bold and extravagant. But for the most part, I love my neutrals and I love my blush pinky tones because that's what I'm usually wearing on my eyes. I love to wear a lot of pink looking makeup, so that's what I'm usually wearing. But while this does look beautiful and stuff, it's just like not my cup of tea palette to keep because there wouldn't be any point just to keep it hanging around. So that is the little palette that we got for this month in the box. Okay, next up is a lip gloss, which I'm very happy about because I actually think I had this in the past before. Not from BOXYCHARM, but I'm pretty sure I had one of these in my Ipsy bag years ago. It was like a mini little size of it, and this is from Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind, I think. But this is her sparkling lip gloss in the shade Pink Sequin. I very much remember having a lip gloss called Pink Sequin, and it was definitely from Vintage. But this is a really cool looking lip gloss packaging. It's a sparkly pink, which you probably can't even see on camera, but I'm gonna swatch it. Yes, I definitely remember because it had this doe foot applicator right here. It's like a little tiny brush. It's a very small tiny brush. This is, I think, perfect as a lip topper. It looks more sheer, but with like this pinkish undertone. So it's super light, but it's a very sparkly gloss. I think it's perfect to tap over maybe like a matte liquid lipstick just to add as like some shine and some dimension. But It's really nice, and I don't mind having cute little fun lip glosses to play with. Doesn't really have a smell, but I'm really excited for it. These are, how much do these retail? They're $25, which is a little bit for a lip gloss in my opinion. But that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. The packaging is adorable. And the color's not too, I don't know how pigmented it would be, but I think it looks more like a lip topper to me that you could pair over a liquid lipstick, which I think would be really cool. So, definitely would have to try that out because it looks really pretty. I don't know, I feel like putting it on. Maybe I should put it on and then show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but I did apply it over the satin, the suede looking liquid lipstick. It gives a little bit of a shine and a gloss, but it's very sheer. It's a very sheery pink. I don't know, maybe it would look a little bit better on bare lips maybe. So I don't know. I think it's okay. I think I should have left my suede lipstick the way it was, but now it has a little bit of a gloss and a little bit of a shimmer to it. But it's a very sheer, kind of pinky color, kind of like a pink. But it might look good probably on bare lips, but it looks more of like a lip topper kind of gloss to me. But it is pretty cute if you guys just like having fun with lip gloss and stuff like that. Definitely be a little fun to try out. So, got one of those. And I haven't seen really this brand around in a while. I had a couple of their products like in small mini size form back in like my Ipsy bags and stuff, but I don't think it's really talked about, this brand, Vintage, which I definitely need to look at more of their products and stuff and see what else there is to try. Okay, this I was excited about for the most part, I think, out of this box. But this is the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm from Farmacy. This is exciting. This is like, I think their exclusive limited edition scent, it says on here. Because usually I think the main scent that they have is like, it's a green tea one. So I do have the price on the screen of this because I don't really remember what it is right now. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really nice tub size. That is a really nice, good size. You get 3.4 fluid ounces. So I want to share with you guys, but look how cute. It's pink packaging, which is very cute and darling with little cherries. And I haven't tried anything from Farmacy yet, and I've been really wanting to. It comes with a little spatula, so you don't have to take your fingers and dig in there, because that is one, not sanitary safe, and nobody wants to be dunking in their fingers and getting like a whole big mess. This would apply a good product amount to apply on to your face. So I just want to open it so you guys can see this nice, pretty light pink. And it has a cherry scent. I'm going to be quite honest, I'm not a big cherry scented person, because me thinking of cherry scents always brings me back to cherry cough-like medicine and stuff. I don't think it smells that bad, but it is this pretty light pink, which is so cute. I think it looks really nice, the color. But I cannot wait to try this out. It doesn't have a super strong smell, but if you are sensitive to scents, especially cherry scents, because they make you think of cough syrup medicine, then I would stay away from this. I don't think right now it smells too bad. It doesn't really make me feel nauseous or sick or anything, because let me tell you, I don't even like taking those kind of cough syrups as it is, unless I am in dire need of having to take it. But this looks really good, and it's supposed to melt away and cleanse your face and take off all your makeup. So, and you can just put this into dry skin. You could put this on your eyes, but you have to have your eyes closed, and you just rinse with warm water or a damp washcloth, which that is Oh, I can't wait to try this out. After I finish up my makeup remover that I'm currently using something from Abilene. My mom gave it to me, so I'm using it up because I don't want it to go to waste. It was a big, huge tub of it, so I'm almost done with it. Should be done with it soon, but then after that, I'm gonna try that out because it looks so fun to use. I can't wait. Okay, so we all need something for our under eyes and stuff like that. Now, this was my product of choice for this March BOXYCHARM. So this is the product I picked out because I wanted to try more things from Murad, and so this was one of the choices, and I was really excited because in some past Ipsy bags, I got some Murad stuff. I'm currently using like a Murad facial wash right now. It's supposed to be for like acne and stuff to make sure you don't get any and stuff like that. And I think I had some other kind of Murad stuff that I got as well that I haven't tried yet, that I have little samples of. But this is a nice full-size product. There's 0.5 fluid ounces. This is from Murad. This is their Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. It's an eye cream. And this retails for 70 bucks. No way would I pay 70 bucks for an eye cream, but, you know, it's nice to be able to try these things, luxury kind of products in here. So this is the little box it comes in. So cute, so funny. But this is the jar, and I like how it is. It's so super clean and sleek from Murad. But this is what it looks like. Hydration. We all need hydration under our eyes because, let's be honest, they get so... I think that's probably the most dry area that they can get. It has a little thing right here. But, it has a light scent to it. Nothing overpowering, so it won't bother you. But it's a white, creamy base. And I just can't wait for my eyes to drink that up because my eyes are very dry underneath. I already know that. And I have very dry underneath of my eyes. And I think I also, when I do eye creams, I also put on my lids. I don't know if you're really supposed to do that or not. But I do all the time because I feel like if it's dry underneath, aren't eyelids also going to get a little bit dry and need some moisture too? So I put it on. I put a little bit on. Nothing ever happens when I do use it, but it's always nice to have hydrated eyeballs because we don't want them looking tired. We don't want them looking dry and cakey when we go and apply our concealer and, you know, eye primer on. So I'm really excited about this because I actually don't have anything for my under eyes right now to hydrate them or, you know, just make sure they feel good underneath. But we can also have a good quench for our under eyes. So I'm very excited with this. So we'll definitely be using this very soon. Alright, so the last thing is for hair, guys. And this is from Project Beauty. This is their Hairgurt? I think that's how you say it. Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask. It has probiotics, quinoa, and super botanicals for beautiful hair, sulfate and paraben free. And there's 4 fluid ounces in this, and this is really nice. And it's only 10 bucks. That is like a literally drugstore price, but I'm pretty sure you cannot find this at the drugstore. I never heard of this brand, but I'm really excited. It does have a closed little tab on it, so I'm not really going to open it right now because I have hair products opened currently. But almond honey sounds really good. That sounds like a really good taste or smell combination. But this is a really nice bottle size, and they're cruelty-free as well. It's to help repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. I'm actually really excited because I do have dry hair. But that feels nice. That's like really good. I'm kind of like really happy that we have a hair product because I don't think I've gotten a hair product in a while. So I'm really excited about this, and I would like to have some moisture back into my hair. I do definitely need that dramatically. So very much excited for this product right here. And with that, that is everything that was in my box for this month. I'm very excited for everything except for the little palette. I'm not too crazy about the lip gloss, but I'm still going to keep it just to have some fun with it. But I can't believe they got 2 skincare products and a hair product, which I'm really excited about. Haven't been too excited with their eyeshadow palette choices lately in BOXYCHARM. I haven't gotten any eyeshadow palettes I actually enjoy. I've been giving away a lot of them and donating because I don't use them. Which I hope they will get some better selections, because that would be really nice. But everything else I'm excited for. I'm always excited for skincare products, because I would like to have some good skin. But that's everything. I'm gonna have right now on the screen the total amount of what my box costs, so you guys can check out. I will also have linked in the description box down below. I will have everything that I shared with you guys listed down below with pricing and links to where to buy these things. So you guys don't have to go searching all over the internet. I have done all the work for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day. I love you guys. Bye!